This is a hand-carved wood snowman. It's kind of tall. Can't really support it very well. This is a hand-carved wood snowman, hand-painted, signed James Haddon. It's very, very lightweight. It's 7.5 inches high, and it's sold at full asking price of $19.95 plus ship. This little snowman is very light, as I said, but it's kind of tall. Can't really support it very well from the back because of the positioning of the post. So I'm going to just go ahead with the large 1/2-inch bubble. You can see here it's not going to fit. So that's when I take a 1/2 sheet or thereabouts. I'm going to take a little over a 1/2 sheet this time. Always save my scraps. And use this to cover the top and bring the bubble up to it and tape it. Masking tape. Now, what size box do I need for this? I'm going to need to make this 12 by 6 by 6 box work for it, even though it's slightly wider than 6 inches. 4 air pillows in the bottom. And as I said, the bottom is slightly over 6 inches, but I can put this on the diagonal just a little bit. I do need to support it, however, underneath for it to lay on its side like this. So this is when some loose air pillows, single air pillows, can come in handy. I'll just build it up as much as I need it, position them where I need it. Get that thank you on here. So let's put a single air pillow, and that 1/2 sheet that I have from something else, we'll put that on top. Let's give it the shake test. It's so light, it feels like it weighs under an ounce, but it's good.